Polite English. Requests and offers with modal verbs. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're diving into the world of modal verbs to make your English conversations even more polite and clear. We'll focus specifically on how to make requests and offers using modal verbs such as can, could, will, would, and may. First, let's quickly go over the function of modal verbs. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, ability, permission, or possibility. In today's lesson, we'll focus on their role in making polite requests and offers. When you're asking for something or seeking permission, can and could come in handy. Can is the more direct approach. Can you pass me the salt? Could is slightly more polite and indirect. Could you pass me the salt? Remember, when making requests, could sounds less demanding than can. Now, let's look at will, would, and may. Will you help me with this? Is also quite direct, yet still polite. Would you help me with this? Is more polite and a little more formal. May I borrow your pen? Is extremely polite and a bit old-fashioned, often used in formal situations or when asking for permission. Modal verbs can also be used to make offers. Can I help you with that? Shows that you're willing and able to assist. Could I assist you with that? Is a more polite way of offering help. May I offer you a coffee? Is a very polite and somewhat formal way of offering something. Will and would are also used to make offers. Will I get you a drink? Is a casual, friendly way to offer something. Would you like me to get you a drink? Is more formal and very polite. And that wraps up our lesson on using modal verbs to make requests and offers. Remember, using the right modal verb can help you convey your message more effectively and politely. Keep practicing these phrases and soon, they'll become second nature. We hope this lesson was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, happy learning!